Hey guys, this is Alec with Hennessey Performance, and we're out here at our facility in Sealy, Texas. And today we're here to talk about America's #1 selling pickup truck, the F-150. Behind me, I have this beautiful 2025 VENOM 800 F-150, and we're gonna cover everything on this truck today. We're gonna start with going over the base truck and everything that's included with this F-150, and then we're gonna move into the VENOM 800 upgrade and talk all about one of our most popular upgrades and what is new for 2025 and 2026. So we're not gonna waste any more time. We're diving straight into it. And we're gonna start with the basics of the factory vehicle and how it comes to us from Ford. Now, this is a 2025 Lariat F-150 finished in space white. In terms of the hierarchy of trims from Ford, the Lariat sits towards the top. Now, this is a 502A Lariat, which means it is loaded to the max level. It has all the bells and whistles that our customers want in their daily drivers. You get the heated and cooled seats, adaptive cruise control, all of your safety and creature comforts that you're gonna want as a driver or a passenger in this vehicle, and so much more. Up front, under the hood, you have a naturally aspirated 5-liter V8. That power is put to the ground through a 10-speed automatic transmission. The sticker on this truck from Ford is $80,000. It is loaded to the max with everything that you would want if this was your daily driver. Now, for the more important part, enough on the factory information, let's talk all about our supercharged VENOM 800 upgrade. There are a few changes for the 2025 and 2026 model year, so we're gonna cover everything from the outside to the inside, under the hood, and let's start right up front. So up front, you have a carbon fiber custom Hennessey grille that is unique to the VENOM 800. The truck also maintains the signature steel Hennessey VENOM 800 front and rear bumper. With the steel bumpers, you do still get the off-road LED lights. You have the pod as fog lights, and you have the center mounted light bar as well. With the VENOM 800 steel bumpers, you do still have integrated parking sensors, as well as all the adaptive cruise control, front camera still function as they would with the factory vehicle. So you're not giving up any of the creature comforts that you get from Ford. As you swing around the side of the truck, let's talk about wheels, tires, and brakes. With the supercharged VENOM 800 upgrade, we upgrade the wheels to a 20-inch wheel with 35-inch off-road tires, and behind that sit Brembo 6-piston brakes with 2-piece rotors. Now, in addition to the wheels, tires, and brakes, we also give this a 6-inch lift, and it gets Fox suspension. So it's right up there with what you'd see on a Raptor. So the ride, if you're driving this as a daily driver on the street, or if you're looking to take this off-road, remains just as plush and gives you plenty of travel regardless of where you're taking the truck. Now, with the 6-inch lift and the 35-inch off-road tires, we do add power running boards so that getting in and out of this truck is easier than ever for both you and your passengers wherever you go. Now, a Hennessey is not complete without our signature badging, so everybody knows that this is not your run-of-the-mill F-150. This is a special beast that has the performance to back up the name. Up front, you've got the Hennessey script across the carbon fiber grille. On the sides, you've got both Hennessey and VENOM 800 on the rocker panels. And then in the very rear, again, you've got Hennessey as well as the VENOM 800 logo. And the last thing you'll notice on the side of the VENOM 800 is an illuminated and functional front fender vent. Enough about the exterior of the truck, let's talk about the interior real quick. For the interior of the supercharged VENOM 800 truck, we make sure that you and your passengers are just as comfortable and just as proud of the vehicle as everyone that's going to see you driving this around town. The VENOM 800 gets an upgraded custom Hennessey leather interior, both in the front and rear. This custom Hennessey interior features signature red accents, perforated seats, and so much more. In addition to the upgraded seats, you get all-weather floor mats, a signature Hennessey build badge. When it comes to interior space, there's a reason why the F-150 has continuously been America's #1 selling pickup truck. There is so much space inside this vehicle for both you and your passenger in the front seats, as well as your kids, co-workers, or whoever in the back seats. These trucks are absolutely massive on the interior, and again, come with all of the bells and whistles that you as an owner would come to expect with today's premium truck segment. Enough about the interior, let's jump outside and talk all about the performance under the hood. Now, with the supercharged VENOM 800, We take Ford's naturally aspirated 5-liter Coyote V8 and slap a supercharger on the top. That takes it to over 800 horsepower and more than 750 pound-feet of torque. Again, all of this power is put to the ground through Ford's amazing 10-speed automatic transmission. Now, in addition to the supercharger, we also give you an upgraded intercooler, air intake, and a custom catback exhaust. Now, with all of these upgrades from the Hennessey team, this truck drives and runs like a factory vehicle so that you, your passengers, can enjoy it just as they would any regular F-150 off the lot. Only catch is it has almost double the power of a factory F-150, adding that extra level of excitement for, again, you as a driver or all of your passengers. Every Hennessey Performance vehicle comes with our world-renowned 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. That gives you the peace of mind so that you can once again drive this vehicle in complete confidence and not have to worry about anything. Now, that warranty works in tandem with your factory OE warranty, so the truck is completely covered, again, giving you utmost peace of mind. If you are in the market for a new truck and looking for something that's a little bit more special than your run-of-the-mill F-150, Silverado, Sierra, Tacoma, or whatever, take a look at the Supercharged VENOM 800. We have every single color F-150 available. These are shipping daily around the country, so we will help you find your dream truck today. If you'd like to know more about the VENOM 800, give our team a call. We're here on standby to help put you in contact with one of our incredible dealers or answer any questions that you have about how you can add one of these trucks to your garage. Now, enough of me talking about the truck. Again, this truck is built for performance. So the next few minutes are gonna be just sounds and sights showing you everything that this truck is capable of. Until next time, we'll catch you on the fast lane.